Hello, I'm Stuart Wright from Envirovent, and you've clicked on this video because you want to know how to solve the problem of mould in your bathroom, in your kitchen, possibly even in your bedroom. And I'm here to tell you how you can do that today. Before that, a quick word about mould. It is serious and it is widespread in the UK. If you want to ask me any questions about mould, or you want to find out a little bit more about how serious it is, please visit us at mildewandmould.co.uk. That's my blog, it's called Mr. Mould. Now, straight on to the issue. In our houses now, we've put lots of loft insulation, lots of cavity wall insulation, double glazing, and effectively what we've done is we've sealed them up. So we're keeping in an awful lot of moisture, trapping in as much as 112 pints of moisture per week per family. And that is forming as condensation, and where you get condensation you quite often get mould. But look at this. This is your bathroom and this is your kitchen, and in your bathroom your extractor fan should take out 15 litres per second if it's doing so under building regulations. The problem is that when you open the bathroom door, that releases 600 litres per second of steam across the hallway, and often that migrates to the bedroom and it might form as mould in the top corner up here, behind cupboards, behind wardrobes. So you're getting it in your bedroom as well as in your bathroom. Or sometimes instead of. A lot of it depends on how cold the wall surfaces are, and it'll be the same again in your kitchen. So it's absolutely vital that you make sure that you have a really good working extractor fan up here. Under building regulations, the minimum it should be doing is 15 litres per second. So follow me to the rig test. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to demonstrate a number of different fans for you so that you know that you're going to make the right choice when it comes to selecting the right fan for your property. What I have here is what we call an air power meter, and this is to test the effectiveness of the extractor fan. Now what I've got here in front of me is 3 standard bathroom fans. These are the kind of fans that we've been fitting in our bathrooms since the 1980s. And to be honest with you, a lot of them haven't changed since then. So I'm just going to test 3 different fans on the air power meter to see how they go. Now this has got a little puck at the bottom. When I put the fan on, the puck should go all the way to the top if the fan is doing 15 litres per second. Fan number 1. As you can see, the puck hasn't moved. Now this is a very, very common fan that we come across in bathrooms all the time. As I said, it hasn't changed since the 1980s, and it cannot keep up with our lifestyles. It cannot keep up with the way that we have insulated our homes now. It needs to be a lot more effective than that. Here's the second fan. This is actually one of the cheapest fans on the market, therefore, again, quite popular. But it's a false economy. There's no point in spending as little as you possibly can on a bathroom fan if it means that you're going to end up with black mould. As you can see, it hasn't moved the puck. Next fan I'm going to put on is, this is a good working extractor fan. This is an Envirovent Silent 100 fan. And this is what I would call our entry-level fan for a bathroom. 100mm fans are generally used in a bathroom. You normally have a 125mm or 150mm fan for a kitchen. Reason being is because a kitchen needs to do a higher duty or a higher flow rate than a bathroom fan. And this is what you really should be looking for. So as you can see, the puck has gone all the way to the top of the tube. That's indicating to me that that is an effective fan. So when it comes to selecting your fan, make sure that you're getting one that is going to perform. Ideally, you want to speak to a ventilation specialist to come and check the property first of all, and to check the space where the fan is going to go, and make sure that the fan is going to be effective in situ. Because there's no point in buying it if it's not going to work. Now I'm going to show you a much more effective fan. This is the Cyclone fan. This is actually one of our most popular products. We won the Queen's Award for Innovation for this fan. That's a bit like having a knighthood in manufacturing. Made here in the UK, and it's designed to last a lifetime of the building. Just pop this on the rig. I'll show you how it works. Okay, so that will keep travelling because this is a much more powerful fan. This is basically a centrifugal fan that's fitted is fitted with an impeller, which makes it more like a jet engine, whereas these fans are a little bit more like a propeller engine. So this is a lot more powerful. But that's not it. The most important thing about this fan is the fact that it is the only intelligent fan in the world. This is fitted with intelligent moisture tracking technology. So now I'm just going to put this on the rig, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to breathe on it. Now there's nowhere near as much moisture in my breath as there is in, say, boiling a pan of potatoes or in a shower, but watch how the fan reacts when I just breathe on it a little bit. Now, as the fan is now removing moisture, you're going to hear the motor ramp back down again in speed, and eventually the park will travel back down the tube to its starting position. And that's because this fan works at a variable speed to control humidity 24/7. That is a much more effective way of controlling moisture in your bathroom or in your kitchen than the old style fashion intermittent extractor fans. There you have it, cyclone fan. If you want to know more about this fan, please go to homeventilation.co.uk.